How to uninstall Telegram desktop application from your Windows PC. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or delete the Telegram desktop application from your Windows 11 computer system. So deleting the Telegram desktop application is actually quite very easy. All you need to do is simply follow these easy steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that we need to do is head on towards the settings of our Windows computer. So to head on towards the settings, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the taskbar appears, you need to right click onto this start button. So right click on the start button and you can see this menu. Now from this menu you need to choose the settings. So simply click onto this settings option and you will be landed into the system settings of your Windows 11 computer. Now from here you can see these tabs and you need to click onto this apps tab onto the left hand side. So simply click onto this apps tab, and under the app settings you can see the first option that says installed apps. Uninstall and manage apps on your PC. So that means this is the option that we need to click on. So click onto this installed apps, and from here you can either find the Telegram application in this list, or if the list is too long you can simply search for it using this search bar. So let us search for Telegram, and here you can see this is the Telegram desktop application, and here you could also see the installation date. Now since we want to delete this, we need to click onto these three horizontal dots present over the right hand side of the application name. So click onto these three dots and then you have these three options. Now from here you need to click onto this last option that says uninstall. So simply click onto this uninstall button and it will give you a warning that says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So in order to proceed you need to click onto this uninstall button again. So click onto this uninstall button again and the uninstallation process will begin. So let us wait for the uninstallation process to finish, after which the app will be removed. And here you can see that once the app has been successfully uninstalled, it has been removed from the installed apps list. So that's how easily you can uninstall or delete the Telegram desktop application from your Windows 11 computer device. So if this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, do tell us in the comments as well. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.